Hello everyone. Good morning. Good evening. So today I'm going to explain the next topic is variables. So in previous class I was explain parameters. So if you're not seen the video, you can go and watch this video. Okay. So today I'm going to explain variables. So variables means so here the value may change during the session run. Okay. So suppose I so let's see this table. Okay. So suppose these are the records from the source side. Okay. So created date is 18, updated date is 23. Suppose if the record is coming from the created date below 18, so this is not inserted. Okay. That means so suppose I have 50k records. Okay. So job is running. So 20k records has inserted. So when the job is failed suddenly. So we have identified the issue. So next time I was loaded the data remaining 30k records based on the audit column. So here audit column is created date and updated date. Okay. So these thing we can do different ways based on the project. So here I was doing the based on created date, updated date. Okay. Some projects are done based on the batch date, sys date, likewise. Okay. So let me remove this column. Okay. Okay, as of now, I have source table, four columns is there. Okay, so let's start the mapping. So first, I'll create a one mapping. M underscore variables. Okay, so go to the source. Provide the connection. Take the source table. Employee underscore CDC. So in source table, in advanced option, I will give you the one SQL override query. Why? Because to collect the created date. So this is the SQL query. So that is yes, select employees table. That is employees table, employee ID column. So that means I am picking the all the columns from the employees table where so here I was taking the created date from the source. That is so here I am taking the created date from the source. This is okay. Then compared with so previous date. Okay, previous date. Okay, suppose what is the created date? So created date is 28/12/2022. Okay, created date is 28/12/2022. So by default, Informatica give with date is 1753. Okay, I will show you after the mapping and task everything is done. Then I'll show you the default date at session log level. Okay, so it will compare. So created date greater than or equal to 1753. So the condition is true. Okay, so when enter, then it will go to the expression transformation. Okay, I'll show you that one. Okay, copy this one. Similarly, updated date was same also. Okay, can provide this one. Okay, so what is the created date? 28. Okay, just we can check this year. Okay, 2022. What is starting this date? Okay, Informatica will provide starting date is 1753, which is the bigger one. This one, right? Okay, then it will goes to expression transformation. Similarly, updated date. Okay, similarly, updated date. Okay, similarly, we can check updated date. Okay, then I will create a expression transformation. Meanwhile, I will give you the target transformation, target to table name, Oracle underscore TGT. Select table name, employee underscore CDC, change data capture. Okay, so here no need to enable the truncate and truncate target. Why? Because so if the new record is came based on the created updated date, it will insert. Okay, so next I will go for the expression transformation. Then I will create a two variables, variable field. Okay, one field is this one, Vmax created date, date time. Okay, then next one is variable field, Vmax updated date. I'll explain this one. Don't worry. Date and time. Okay. So initially, which one is bigger created data, right? Okay. So here dollar max created date, that is 1753. Informatica will provide this one by default. Okay. So 1753, 1753, comma 2022 created dates. So here set max variable, what we do means it will compare these two dates like dollar max created date and created date. Which is the bigger one? Then only it passes to V max created date. Okay, you understand? So set max variable function will do compare these two dates, dollar max created date and created date. Then which date has bigger one? That one it will pick V max created date. Then it passes to inout variables. Why? Because next time I want to compare this max created date to next table. Okay, got it right? So this one I will copy, right? Change my network connection. set max variable, or else we can go here, built-in functions, special functions. Here we can see set max variable. Okay, which is the bigger one for these both the dates. That date it will pick. Okay, initially this is not valid. Okay, I'll show you when it is valid. Okay. Similarly, updated date also. Okay. Then these data, so which is the maximum created, then it will pass to runtime inout variables. Okay, here we can create. So first one, maximum created date. Okay, date time. Okay, next one more, updated date. Maximum updated date, date time. Okay, go to the target, so the field map. So not map, save. Okay, mapping should valid. So next go to the create task. Empty underscore m underscore variable. Avoided runtime environment. Select map m underscore variables. Next. So initially there is no success date. I mean updated date, created date. Okay. This one I'll show you once everything is next. Save, run. Okay. Initially I'll target this, uncreate this table. No data. Target. Source table. These are the four columns. Okay. Go to the my jobs. See, four records got inserted. So see, maximum created date is 16/8. Maximum updated date is 3/4. Okay, let me check target table. Okay, go to the HR. So what is maximum created date? 8/16. Okay, 8/16. Updated is 3/4. Go to the mapping. See 3/4. Okay, if you want to do any changes before this date, it will not insert. Okay, let's check that one also. Go to the source, apply CDC. I'll add one more date. So I'll keep it, everything will be same. And the date should be changed to, I'll change it to 18. Okay. So created date is 8, updated date is 20. Now we can see here created date is 18, updated date is 20. Meanwhile, parallelly, I will do changes in previous date also. Before this date, 18 or 20, before this date, I'll change one more date. I'll change it to one created date. Okay, commit. Okay, commit is done. Then I'll run it one more time. Restart. Go to the my job. Next one. See, one record only inserted. Why? Because see, 18, 20 updated date. Okay, what is created date? 18, 20. Okay, that record only insert. Previous record, no update. Okay, so likewise, we can do the variable method. So if you ask the interview this question, we can explain like, so based on the created date, updated date, based on the timestamp, I will load the data into the target table. We can explain each and every transformation likewise. Okay, first I will take source table and provided the SQL override query. We can gather the created date. Then we can provide the expression. We can compare the which date is greater than based on the set max variable. Then we can load the data into the target table. Okay, likewise we can explain. Okay, so this is the variable method. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, if you have doubts, any doubts, we can write a comment section. Thank you. Thank you.